Get set to embark on a journey of transformation, education, inspiration, and entertainment. With coverage in over 80 nations of the earth, across Africa, Europe, and Asia, we are set to bring the gospel to every home. Bask in the endless flow of life with our 24 hours non-stop broadcast. Catch up on all exclusive, transformative, and life-changing sermons and ministrations of Apostle Femi Lazarus, bringing healing and revival to the nations.
I shut it down.
With live broadcast of Sphere of Light Church services, now you can experience the glory and embrace the fellowship.
Lift your eyes to the hill.
Dive into intriguing and scintillating talk shows where thought-provoking discussions ignite curiosity and spark meaningful conversations with our fantastic team of hosts. Explore a world of ideas through our podcast featuring insightful conversations with experts and visionaries. Embark on a journey of discovery with captivating documentaries shedding light on untold stories and inspiring journeys. And the little ones are not left out, indulging endless fun and learning with our vibrant kids shows. Indeed, there's something for everyone on Ambience TV. Ambience TV, where every moment is an invitation to Jesus to be transformed and be inspired. Tune in and be part of something extraordinary. Welcome to Ambience TV. Welcome to TV Redefined.